Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. So you want to slow down and actually enjoy life in 2026? Let me walk you through this. Step 1. Start by identifying what's making you rush. Take a hard look at your daily habits and see where you're moving on autopilot. Are you checking your phone constantly? Are you bouncing between tasks? Write down 3 things that make you feel like you're in a constant sprint. Step 2. Create intentional pauses throughout your day. Schedule actual breaks, not just when you're exhausted. Set phone reminders for 5-minute breathing sessions. Step back from work and just exist for a moment. This trains your mind that slowness is okay. Step 3. Prioritize what actually matters to you. Not what society says should matter. Ask yourself what would make you feel fulfilled. Focus on 2 or 3 big things instead of trying to do everything. Step 4. Practice saying no without guilt. You don't need to explain yourself to everyone. A simple no is complete. This frees up mental space and time for what you actually want. Step 5. Build rituals around slowing down. Maybe it's a morning coffee routine, an evening walk, or sitting with a book. Whatever it is, protect that time like it's sacred. These rituals become your anchor to a slower, more intentional life.